All right, what's up, everybody? It's GrimmGreen. I can't even begin to express to you how relieved I am and how excited I am that I'm even uploading this video to this YouTube channel. For anyone that doesn't follow me on other social media, it's been a real weird few days, but I woke up Friday morning to see that my YouTube channel was just completely gone from the platform. I felt a lot of ways about it, and I had a lot of big feelings about it, but ultimately you do what you have to do, and that's make a big stink on Twitter X. And I started a campaign to YouTube to try to make enough noise to get their attention, to elicit some sort of response. All I wanted was some sort of human interaction, because I know we could probably come to an understanding about what rules getting broken, what I can do to fix it, and what I can do to maybe keep my YouTube channel my YouTube channel. That's all I was looking for, was a human. And the response on Twitter, I mean, obviously it worked, because we're here and we're back. And I'll most likely talk about this in a future live stream, but I still don't know exactly what I did to get my channel deleted and what I did to get it back. I did not exchange emails with a representative that they assigned me from YouTube. We exchanged a few DMs on Twitter, and then I just suddenly got an email in the mail that said, "We looked at your channel, decided it wasn't against our terms of service." I didn't realize that I was breaking their terms of service. I assumed it was the regulated goods thing that they ding everybody who vapes on YouTube for. I still really would like answers from YouTube, but that's going to be, that's going to be a future ongoing thing. But the response on Twitter was unbelievable. Help from so many people. Honestly, humbling. I can't thank Sam the Vapin' Bogan enough, not just for helping get the word out, but for the like broy moral support that he was. It was really very helpful. Hell, even Vic. Vapin' Vic. I haven't talked to Vic in years, bro. Vic made a video supporting it. It was unreal. The outpouring was awesome and truly humbling. And I can't thank everybody enough, because, again, the sense of relief that I feel right now being able to put this video on this channel, I don't know if it can be measured. I mean, this is a true Christmas miracle. This is a true Christmas miracle. Cue the Trans-Siberian Orchestra. And I said this on Instagram, and I'm going to say it here too. It has also been a little bit of like an Ebenezer Scrooge type of situation going on here. This has been like a big lesson for me, like a big wake-up call to not take this YouTube channel for granted, to really, I suddenly really want to create really good content that people want to watch. I'm having like this whole weird second like awakening and rejuvenation for this YouTube channel. It kills me day to day that there's so much misinformation and deliberate disinformation about tobacco harm reduction. Hang on, I'm getting off track. Thank you. Specifically and directly, thank you. Without you, there ain't no me. And I sure do like doing what I do here. So between now and kind of, I think January 5th is my first day like back. I'm off on a little Christmas sort of vacation. I'm just going to spend time at home with my wife and my dogs, and we're going to watch Christmas movies and eat cookies and eat good food and give each other little knickknacks and stuff like that. I'm really looking forward to it. In between now and then, I am going to have, a couple review videos and things here and there, including a lost vlog. I made a note of this. There was the lost vlog of me and Sam the Vapin' Bogan that I streamed on Halloween that actually ended up having a replay nowhere, because this is when I had a bunch of strikes on YouTube. So I was like 2 weeks away from being to upload a video. So this is a vlog that just never made it to YouTube. It'll finally make it to YouTube before the end of the new year. And as we get into the new year, look, I got another Pods Ranked planned coming up, and I'm genuinely, truly and honestly optimistic about the coming year, about 2026. 10 days ago, I would have told you something different, but this experience has me thinking differently, honestly. So thank you. Thank you. I mean, ultimately, thank you. That's all I really wanted to say was thank you. So Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. I hope you get to celebrate it and spend time with the people that you want to spend time with. And I know the holidays, it sucks for a lot of people, and there's a lot of bah humbug people out there. So for those people, bah humbug. I hope the holidays pass as quickly and uneventfully as possible. This has been a GrimmGreen video, and the only thing that matters, let's stay cigarette smoke free every single day.